and gentlemen.
Dead body to surplus. Hold this man in the first place.
I don't feel like in there.
God have mercy upon us.
Alright. You like it this way?
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Ballad of Justice, call the better my fellow people. My name is Sidi to the interfere. Me, I want to interfere the man. See what fair, see what my leg by me. The man, what's your name?
Akeem Ogara.
The man name is Akeem Ogara, yeah. Are we like what going?
My name is Akeem Ogara. Kush Ogara, yeah?
The man name is Ogara.
Is my name. Huh?
So what you want to just want me in?
Of course.
Akeem.
Anyways, continue.
Me, I want to add the question. Are you ready?
You want to ask the question?
The question. Question, my son.
Okay. Oh, oh my goodness. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions.
6 questions.
Great, continue. Ask.
The man, you the poop say my yagbe.
Everybody does. I mean, yeah.
That's if I say my yagbe.
Beyonce go yagbe.
The man they sit. The man. Say man jali. That's jali. What they want keke. You still want it smaller.
Oh, wait. What's your name?
My name is Sidi to the interfere.
Sidikatsu.
Yeah.
That was a wrong question. You cannot ask your guest if he has stolen before.
Are you still when they small? I said jali. What they want keke.
Okay, jali. It's fine.
The man is not a thief. The man jali. What they want keke. The man say toilet. What they want keke.
I can't remember, but if you want to I mean, I don't know. The
man know the peace when the man small. The man say gabe kuru.
Are you dumb? Sure, gabo kuru. Mejeji. Okay, mega.
The man is a taller. The man say man wa tele.
What?
What's that? The play pants?
Wait. This is not even funny right now. Are you asking if I wear boxers?
Yeah.
Oh, I wear boxers, of course.
The man no dey you. The man. Say man fun.
Are you dumb or what? Are you okay?
I'm alright.
Run. No, she no me run.
Gentleman, leg be there.
To my gentleman, dey by ko. What the very first, second, third questions? No, you complain on me. What the fuck is that? My friend, get out from here, sorry. Get out from here.
What's the little boy Johnson?
My definitely must.
If you follow me, don't let me. Let you what then you blame on law. Let you what?
Who is these people? Who are you?
Who are you two?
I want a team, man.
Who are you a team?
I will send you. Move.
I said that,